What is up, guys? Ton of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video with audio in Canva. So first, you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the home page, here you need to click on Home, and after that, you need to click on Video. So to create a video, we won't be using anything else. We can just simply choose any of the simple video templates from Canva, and after choosing any one of these, click on it once to open it in the new tab. And after opening it, now we want to add the audio. So to add the audio here on the left side, you have the app section, but if you directly want to add the audio, you can click on this add audio button to directly add the audio. But we will go to the app section and after that click on audio. After clicking on audio here, I can choose any of the free audio, or if you have the pro version, you can choose the pro audios too. But I'll choose the free one for now. I'll hover to it and click on it once, and then as you can see, the audio has been added to my timeline. So this is how you can create a video and audio in Canva. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.